Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locating the required documents. This saves wasted steps later. Once you have the original Caste certificate and a clear scanned PDF, log into the SLST portal with your application number and mobile. Make sure your registered email is active for OTPs. If the portal requires a specific file size or format, use a simple image editor to convert to PDF or compress to the stated 300-600 KB range. Now proceed to the Profile or Category Update section to start the change. You reach the upload screen and must follow precise fields. This is why details matter. Select category/Caste change, then attach your scanned certificate and type the certificate number exactly as printed. Choose the issuing authority and input the issue date. Once done, press Submit. The system will send an OTP to your registered mobile or email. Enter that OTP promptly to confirm upload. After verification, the portal usually shows a pending status. Note the reference ID for future follow-up. You complete the submission and should immediately record the reference ID and take screenshots for proof. The Caste update goes to manual review by the exam authority. Typical turnaround varies, so monitor the portal daily. If your application is rejected, download the rejection notice to see exactly which document or detail failed verification, then correct and resubmit quickly. If things go wrong or timelines exceed stated limits, call the official helpline and email attachments with your reference ID attached.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.